Introducing the Abra. Discover comfort. Discover great looks. Abra's breakthrough bodyform technology does away with wires, hooks, and adjusting straps. Abra instantly transforms your appearance. You'll look great. Why look like this when you can look like this? Why look bulgy when you can look firm and beautiful? Why be uncomfortable when you can say, ah?
I'm a big busted girl. I'm a 34 double D, and this gives me great support every single day.
So why wait any longer? You're only a phone call away from comfort and great looks. Act now to get your Abra's bodyform technology and finally experience great comfort. Now that you know the secret that all of Hollywood has been buzzing about for years. A good bra will cost you close to $100. Well, today you won't pay $100, not $90, not even $70. To celebrate our exclusive direct-to-consumer launch, you are going to get a nude color Abra today for only $59.99. But hang on, be one of the first callers today, and we're going to give you a white Abra free. Perfect for all your white tops and blouses or to wear during exercise. That's another $60 value. Free. No additional shipping and handling. Just another great bra. Free. It's time to stop the insanity. You deserve to look great and feel great. That's right. You're a phone call or click away from the best bras that you have ever worn. Hold on. You are going to need a sexy Abra for that little black dress. So call right now, and we will also give you a sexy black Abra absolutely free. That's right, another $60 value. Free. Again, no additional shipping and handling. Just another great Abra. Free. That's 3 Abras for the price of 1. Remember, ordering your size is easy. Just shop your top. If you are a large in a t-shirt, you order large. If you're a small in a t-shirt, you order small. We have all sizes from extra small to XXXL. So what are you waiting for? Order for yourself or order for your girlfriend. This is an incredible offer, so why wait? We want you to call now, so we are stopping at nothing. If this incredible offer wasn't enough, we're even going to upgrade you to express shipping for the same low price as regular shipping. Don't wait 4 to 6 weeks. Enjoy your Abra in 5 to 7 business days. So let's recap this phenomenal offer. You're going to get all 3 Abras. The nude, the white, and the black Abra. A $180 value, all for just $59.99. And even the express shipping upgrade for the same price as regular shipping. This is the best offer for that body-forming, no hooks, no clasps, all comfort Abra. You know what to do. Call now.